Creating NFT collection takes time, especially 10K variations with more than 100 traits. Base model, at least a few layers, and original attributes such as accessories, backgrounds, and colors are extremely important because those make your collection unique. But what if you don't have time or high budget for your NFT collection but you still want it? That's why every week till now I design ready-made NFT collection templates, which could help you create your own collection connected with your brand in less than 24 hours. The most important element in customizing this template is adding your QR code with unique address. It can be a website, email, your name, or image. To make it even more unique, you can choose your favorite color palette from millions possibilities and add your special visual attributes. For example, in this 3D NFT collection template, I created 18 layers. Everything is based on a simple yet effective idea: colorful spheres, which create friendly yet minimalist vibe. QR code is hidden behind the biggest sphere, and only those who buy NFT will get access to the full QR code, which can be a secret link to your website or any other content. Someone could ask, well, why using a template instead of creating own NFT collection from scratch? As an NFT designer, I've created many 100% original NFTs collections from scratch, and honestly I think it's the best option to have NFT art completely designed for your needs. However, it takes time to create concepts, base model, traits, and other elements of the project. So if you're looking for a solution which is fast, effective, low cost, and easy to make, then a template could be extremely helpful to you. In addition, the price of creating NFT collection from scratch is far greater than using a template. So if you don't have a high budget and you just want to lower the cost, then a template can be a highly effective option for you. It still can be original by using your own logo, images, and QR code. Customizing a template with your unique color palette based your own expectations. Creation and customization of NFT collection template is made in 3 simple steps. Visit my website and choose your favorite template. I have many ready-made NFT collections in 3D, 2D, voxel art, doodle art, cards animations, and much more. Each NFT collection has at least 100 traits. You can use a contact form or a chat on my website. Remember to send me your extra wishes regarding the customization. In 24 hours, I can create and generate your NFT collection from 1 to even 100K variations. You will receive all high-resolution files and metadata. Find the link in the description below. In the next video, I'm going to show you how I customize one of my ready-made 3D NFT collection templates. So stay tuned. Enjoy!